abiyazirwa mwiro omugambirizi w'ekitongole kya National Drug Authority nagira ngo ebikwekwete ebintu bigenda omu maisho omu kyanga kya West Nile okureba ngo kukozesa kuba emibazi ya gavumenti kwayemerezebwa.
Ebikwekweto omu West Nile tukureba omu districts za Adjumani, Arua, Moyo, Koboko hamwe na Zombo. Omu bikwekweto ebi obuduuka bukurenga 15 bucingirwe obutangiye butine busangizo nizkweta license ningashi ababire nabo bukoramo batine buvunanizo bwa ningashi bukuguza embazi omuduko 15 boxes zikurenga 900 zembazi tugikwasire ariko barubamo miliyoni 50 za Uganda.
Ogu nagira ngo embaze kwasirwa hati nebalirwa mu miliyoni 5 kandi abakwasirwe harimu Hamis Yusufu owazifa Pharmacy, Odongo Daniel owasinya Pharmacy na Akule Patrick oshangirwe nakora muri Akubus Pharmacy omuri Moyo district.
Abekito bakwatire no kugira ngo office yito mu mututware cwekeki erukushanga mu Arua yitwire neba warning kugira ngo bije hituri National Drug Authority bashirize ebandiko byabo bayanga embazi bakutunda n'embazi y'amano munonga icuma sango babatine bisanyizo babatine impapuro zishye ni basa kureto burabuzo bw'amano munonga abantu.
Operations. We have identified some non-compliant issues in the regions. These are people who open outlets, pharmacies, drug shops without license. They don't even come to office to seek for permission or to seek for advice.
NDA neshababona barikwejumbira mu kuguza emibazi y'abantu okuratira amateka garugo baitu kutarikweretera oburemezi.
Emibazi eri kuguzibwa abantu baburijo nebikwaje kandi n'abakugisherezayo bine obukwatire no kuhereza emibazi yabo kuba emibazi ejo yaza ngaro ningasho mikono yaba atakujimanya ningashika biko kubi nefa ebiro byayo bitakashikire kandi niyeje mahande yemwe erikutume embazi erikuba ejingiriyerwe yaguzibwa. So nico twihanangiriza abanyarwanda kwerinda okugura embazi uruga omu bantu abatine okugura ningasho mu za pharmacies na drug shops zitine license ku National Drug Authority.
We are appealing to anybody who wants to operate this business. Please, this issue of I don't know the procedure should no longer be there, because we do a lot of sensitization. We do community engagement, we do radio sensitization, we go to the districts, we do sensitization that people should follow the right procedure if they want to open drug shops or pharmacies. The door is open.
Abakwasirwe buri omwe akumirwa polisi eriyo mu kicweka kye kandi bija kutwarwa mu koti kujunana. Gashakwa Fatima na Good.